Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get cheap tickets to Disneyland Paris. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is book in advance online. So that means buying tickets at the gate is the most expensive option. Thus, we need to book online. So Disneyland Paris often offer discounts for online pre-purchase, especially if you choose a specific date instead of a flexible ticket. So go to disneylandparis.com and they should be 9 times out of 10 they'll have different type of promotions on their website and you can save money buying cheaper tickets that way. So for this demonstration, for me, it says here, enjoy our family and friends offer for 4 to 6 people on a one-day dated park ticket. And it says here, save up to $134 for your group. But these will change. So depending when you're watching this, they'll have different promotions running on their website. Now, depending what type of tickets you want, if you just want tickets on their website, click on tickets. But if you want to find hotels and tickets, you can do that as well. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to choose tickets. Now, once we get onto this page here, if we scroll down, they're going to have 4 different options here. So one park tickets, magical extras, know before you go, and special rate tickets. So if we go ahead and click on special rate tickets, this is where we're going to save money and find cheaper tickets. So if you're active or retired military personnel can enjoy a ticket discount by presenting official proof of service. And also here, now purchase special rate tickets for guests with disabilities online. So from the 19th November 2024, purchase your special rate tickets online. Guests with disabilities can enjoy a 25% reduction on the price of a Disney park ticket booked online for themselves or one accompanying guest. So keep that in mind. So now this demonstration, I'm just going to choose amazing attractions for all ages. So I'm going to go down here and have a look at this. So you can add your trip with magical extras. You can find out more about that stuff. All right, so now we want to go ahead and book now. So as it stated before, we can book hotel plus ticket package or just buy Disney park tickets. I'm just going to do the Disney park tickets. And now depending what day or days you're going to find cheaper tickets. So if we scroll down here, so this is the one that has the special offer. This is where you're going to find your special offers. So we can see prices here, but if we want to get dated tickets, we can see prices here and also one-day undated tickets. So your dated tickets are going to be cheaper than the one-day undated tickets. So if we want to go ahead and get some dated tickets, go ahead and click see prices. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to have the choices of where we want to purchase tickets. So if we want to choose a number of days, I'm going to do 1 day for this demonstration. Choose your visit date, 2 parks, and keep that like that. And now if I have a look at upcoming days, so generally the weekends are going to be a little bit more expensive, but what I've found, Monday to Thursday are going to be your cheaper ticket rate. So if it don't matter what day you're going to go, try looking at going through Monday to Thursday. They're going to be cheaper in general. Now, if you're planning to stay longer or visiting again, so if you plan multiple visits or staying several days, an annual pass may actually be cheaper than buying daily tickets. So keep that in mind. And now if you bundle with travel packages, so some travel agencies and rail companies like Eurostar and Disneyland Paris packages offer ticket plus transport deals. Booking through these can sometimes cost less than buying separately as well. And another way to get cheaper tickets is using authorized resellers. So some websites sell genuine discount tickets at attractiontickets.com, 365 tickets, get your guide, and Klook, but always ensure they are authorized Disney partners to avoid any potential scams there.